Hey folks, welcome back to another short video. Today I've got something new to try. It's Wurth Industry Cleaner. When I seen the actual use of this stuff here, I thought it might be worth giving it a try on the upper soles of the shoes. So that's what I'm going to do today. As you can see, these are pretty bad. As you might have seen from some of my other videos, I usually use acetone, but that's quite a harsh chemical. You can see what it does to the rubber on the gloves. It actually takes a top layer of the rubber off with it sometimes. Let's get quite a bit of dirt off. Let's give it another spray. Wow, that's an excellent result from there. So easy to use as well. It doesn't destroy my gloves. It's got a sort of an orange smell to it. It's really quite nice. Whereas if you know the smell of acetone, it's kind of a nasal eating, throat scratching sort of smell to it. So easy to use. Let's see what it's like spraying direct and using a toothbrush just in these bits here where it's a little more detail. It is quick drying, so you have to be fast, but I really must admit it works well. With a lot less work, with a lot less effort than acetone anyway. Spend a little extra time just getting into the corners. These will come up really nice. Well folks, thanks for watching. If you liked that, feel free to hit the thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And also if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Anyway, have a nice day.